Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Use 2 pounds collard greens and 5 to 2 pounds turkey necks for a balanced pot. This ratio yields tender greens and rich, meaty broth. Mince 4 cloves garlic, chop 1 cup onion, and measure 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar so flavors layer evenly. Start with 6 cups low-sodium chicken stock or water and 1 tablespoon kosher salt to control sodium. Add 1 teaspoon smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon black pepper for depth. Rinse greens thoroughly. Brown turkey necks over medium heat 8 to 10 minutes for fond and flavor, turning so all sides get caramelized. Add chopped onion and garlic. Sauté 3 to 4 minutes until translucent and fragrant, then stir in 1 teaspoon smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes to taste. Deglaze with 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar and add 6 cups stock. Bring to a simmer. Add the collard ribbons, cover, and simmer 2 hours until necks fall off the bone and greens are silky. Check seasoning after 1 hour and adjust with up to 1 tablespoon additional salt if needed, tasting for balance between salt and vinegar. Skim excess fat from the surface, shred meat from the turkey necks with forks, and return the meat to the pot. Simmer 10 minutes to marry flavors. Serve hot with extra vinegar splashes and optional hot sauce and spoon over rice or cornbread. The greens keep 3 to 4 days refrigerated and reheat gently on low for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.